was such a peaceful day.
Mr. Ghost. I'm a black ghost. I'm very cool. I'm beautiful.
Wow, Mr. Ghost, very amazing dance moves.
Yes.
And you look very beautiful. What is her name? What is her name? Mr. Ghost, you look like Elsa from Frozen.
Yes. Let it go. Let it go. Don't hold it back anymore.
Mr. Ghost, did you just eat your... Mr. Ghost,
what?
Did you just eat your crown?
Yes, but no problems.
Is that a magic wand? You can do magic, Mr.
Yes,
Ghost?
of course.
Very beautiful. Mr. Ghost, why are you here?
First of all, I have some good news.
What good news, Mr. Ghost?
I won the drawing contest. Yeah.
Drawing contest.
Yeah.
Did you get a bucket of chocolate, Mr. Ghost?
Of course, and I brought some chocolates for you. Since you
Really? You're such a nice ghost.
Yes.
Oh my god, chocolate showering?
Yes.
So much chocolate. Thank you, Mr. Ghost.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay, Mr. Ghost, so what's the task? Because I know you came here for a task.
Okay. So, yesterday, a thief dared to come into my house to steal something from your everything.
What did you do to the thief, Mr. Ghost?
I made him float like this and yeeted him with my magic wand.
You eat the thief? Okay, Mr. Ghost, very good. And now I know that why are you here? You're here so I can make you a keyring.
Yes, of course.
Okay, Mr. Ghost, consider your job well done. Okay, Mr. Ghost.
Okay, now it's my time to go. Bye.
Bye. Okay, Mr. Ghost left and he gave me this chocolate. Let's eat. No, wrong word. Let's start.
Finally done with Mr. Ghost's keyrings.
Hey!
Hello, Mr. Ghost.
I am Mr. Ghost. I'm back again to get my stuff that you made for me.
Mr. Ghost, that was a very good song. You are very talented. You should be a singer.
Yes, I know.
And your style, sense of style are very amazing.
Yes. I know.
Okay, Mr.
Wait a second.
Where did he go?
Woo!
Oh, hello, Mr. Ghost.
Sorry, I accidentally yeeted my magic wand.
Okay, Mr. Ghost.
Anyways, the keyrings.
Oh, Mr. Ghost, they're done. Here you have it. Oh, you want me to put it in there?
Yash!
Alright, Mr. Ghost. Here is 1. Here is 2. And here is your 3. Do you like them, Mr. Ghost?
I am Mr. Ghost. Now no thief will come to steal my stuff. I am free for now.
Okay, Mr. Ghost, you're very talented. I can see, and you're very cool.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Ghost, have a nice day. Bye. Bye, everybody. Have a nice day. Bye. Whoop.